And I got a sale
Nice.
for only €3.99.
Do I get one too? I want to have one
You have something from me.
like that. What? I have
Chewing gum.
chewing gum. And it's good.
Hello guys. Uy, ang lamig dito guys. 8 degree lang kami actually, pero malamig siya kasi windy. Palabas ako papunta ako sa center namin para mag grocery konti. Kasi may mga hingal ko. Kasi merong mga needs si Francine na wala na. So I have to go out para hindi na kailangan ni Mr. bumili mamaya. So kami lang ni Ella. Then para walking na din sa akin ba, exercise. Yun. I'm halfway na. Hindi ako nagbabas kasi mas mabuti to sa aking mag-walking. Kasi malaki na yung tiyan ko, di ba? Mas mabuting mag-walking. I can take bus pero para na exercise na din to. Sabi nga ni Mr. mas maganda daw na mag-walking ako. So ayun. So pasaka na tayo guys. Hihingalin tayo nito. Kasi paano na siya paangat. May shortcut doon. Pero sabi ko nga walking na din to. So dito tayo daan. Kaya lang nag-bicycle siya. Pina-bicycle ko para yung ibang dala namin doon namin lalagay sa kanyang bicycle. Nandito na tayo sa center. Ito na yung center namin guys. Para lang siyang market. Kung sa atin pa sa Pinas, market lang siya. So, ayun. Before guys, nung buntis ako ni Francine, ito din ginagawa ko. Pag malaki na yung tiyan ko, everyday ako, not everyday, but most of the time, lumalabas ako tuwing hapon or in the morning. Since ako pa mag-isa nun ngayon hirap na kasi andito si Francine nandyan. Hamang gusto ko star. Ipapalit na ako una og bread guys. Kasi nauubos siya. Yung brown bread na kinakain ni Frank. So andito na kami sa center of attraction.
So I can be also in your video. Hi guys. Thank you for letting me join you.
Kakadating lang namin.
Can we have done that?
Juice. Okay, wait. Here. Oh, juice.
That's a mine.
That's fine. That's fine.
Buta ni nila diri mura man kog abroad ay. I just got home from Saudi Arabia.
This is not my.
It's not your
I
height.
always cut off my head here.
Of course it's me who's the Okay, I have something here for friends. Too loud here. I just got home then. Here. You're gonna ask your papa. We have something for you, friend. Haul tayo, guys, sa aming nabili. Oh, look at that. I made makeup, baby, na light.
What?
I look good. I think I feel good today.
Did you hear that? She feels good today.
You want a slap? So first we went to Kuan guys sa naglibot actually kami sa in Cody. First in DM I got the
How do people see you? Hey,
Kala ko it's filming. So I have here sa kalagot si Frog Sebamid lotion sa DM. I have kitchen wipes and para sa toilet si Francine para to sa candle, nilalagay mo yung candle dito sa baba para mag-steam siya sa taas. And cotton buds para sa ano ni Francine. Toothpaste. And then a lip balm from EOS kasi nawala yung lip balm ko. And then a nipple para sa Dede ni Francine. Yeah, that's the spices from the meat that I marinated. Then sa Cody guys, bumili ako nito para sa muffins. And ito yun sila lahat kaya ang ano nila. Tapos may spices ako dito na pepper, pero mix na siya. And this one is basilicum. Itutugil na ako siya sa ano, sa iba kong. So I got a cup. So Frank, this is fine for microwave. Then we can get another 5 of this. I want 6 of this here. Is that any good?
It's glass, no?
Glass, it's glass.
It's not any good. But
Why not?
It's fine.
I think that's new kuan kasi nang
Now
buak.
my head is cut off again.
Yeah, then you're gonna switch it off again.
By adjusting.
Yeah.
I don't like them.
You don't like them?
No, not really. But it's fine. Get that if you like them. Look
Yeah,
at
but
that,
it's-
how badly made.
But it's a plain color. I don't see any plain there. All are with I miss you, I love you. It's not good.
You don't miss me? You don't love me?
No, because it's when there's a guest here, I miss you, I love you. All our mugs is I miss you, I love you. So I bought one guys kasi papakita ko. I want to see. I
How
want
much
to
is that?
€1 something. €1.49. I want to see his kuan kung okay lang ba na kasi nangabasag
But
yung
I'm always
mga
nagging.
cup namin. Tapos I've seen here for dishwasher, so I was thinking it's okay also for microwave.
It
Is
is fine
For
for microwave.
microwave?
Yeah. Glass is glass.
Yeah, but in Philippines it breaks now. In China,
That's it?
yeah, it will break in Philippines. It will break. So this is good
be fine.
for coffee when you have guests or something.
Coffee in a
Yeah,
glass.
yeah. Yeah, then there's another one, black pepper. Yeah, you can have what TV. And there's, see? It's only 99 cents in Cody
Yeah, that's okay. You
for
can,
grilling.
yeah,
Are you
And,
talking now with Frank or no with video?
both.
No, both. It's okay. It's like that, Vanessa. Oh, there's an,
Okay.
yeah. And this one, I have to keep that because I have to do something. And I got a sale
Nice.
for only €3.99.
Do I get one too? I want to have one
You have something for me.
like that. What? I have?
Chewing gum.
Chewing gum. Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
I need
yeah.
chewing gum.
I was thinking of, uy, it has a hole!
Give it back. Wow.
Nagisi. Wala ko na check.
Jean is not checking.
Yeah, because I was rushing.
That's why it's cheap. Look,
No,
there's
no,
a
no.
red one there. That means it's reduced.
No, there is.
Yes, it
Yeah,
is.
but there's other sizes there.
The
but
normal
this is
price is in euros. I don't know here. DE €5.99. That's the
Oh, I
normal
don't want to
price.
go back tomorrow.
And now she got
eh.
it for $3.99 because it has all. Yeah.
Uy, it's pajama ba? Pang winter pajama for Francine.
That will last for one winter.
Nee. No.
You can sew that, but you really
Yeah,
need
but
to,
I have
you need
to
to have a
sew.
machine.
Pwede ko naman yung isa. I can return that, but I don't wanna return that direct. Tapos may candle ako dito. Kasi ito guys, ito siya. Meron akong dalawa nito. I have 2 of this. Ang inaano mo, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Meron na siyang free actually na ganito. Tapos, nilalagay ko yung candle, pero ang nilalagay ko na sa pantaas is ano, yung sa ano bitaw, yung beads bitaw, yung para sa washing na beads, ito yung ginamit. Tapos ang bango ng bahay, yun din ang ini-spray ko. So ayun, that's all I got in the DM. At nagpunta ako sa Aldi in the end, kami ni Andalo ni Ella nga. Bumili ako. Frank, now you can help me on putting away. Bumili ako nito. Bayo siya na choco milk. Bayo. I think this is €1 something. And I like this one. Try natin. It says Bayo. Si Frank yung ipapaput away ko sa fridge. Bayo. And then I have those 2 strawberry drink na binili ko sa kids. Then I have milk. Bumili na ako ng milk dito. 2. Yeah! Ella! 2 yung milk. At bumili ako ng coconut milk kasi magbibiko ako, guys. I don't know lang kung kailan. Nakapagbiko ako last time din na gustuhan nila. 2 coconut milk. Si Francine. Tissue para
Did you have
sa
that cheese?
tissue. Cheese, yeah. Wait.
There's something I find here, banana.
Tapos may cucumber, butter, pumili ako, then
Wait, let me
banana.
find.
We will find that one. May egg ako dito.
I give that to friend.
Then sibuyas, dahon.
Yeah.
Here, Francine. Oh, yes, one. Baby bell cheese. Cheese to shove, but you Francine. Here, come on, open that one.
Come.
Tapos, masarap to siya, guys, na buns. Ano? Nilalagyan ko siya ng, kinakain ko siya sa breakfast. Masarap siya, nilalagyan ko siya ng butter at saka strawberry jam. Masarap. Tapos, gusto din sa kids. Pinabaon nila sa school. Ito. Francine. Nakikiano si Francine. Blah, 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 blah. Come here. Come here. Show in the corn. Say hi. Come here.
Come, say hi.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Sophie. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. No, not that one. That's for Papa.
Eat.
Kaugumi. Bubble gum.
can
Para
eat
sa
it.
ano.
Jay,
Para
you
siyang
can
ano
eat
ba,
it.
Mentos. No, you can't. That's wax dye.
Eat.
Buti siguro ka. Okay, asa man mo pag-open? Oh.
Normal open.
Inaano niya yung fancy. Kilawon niya ba? Bit na fancy. No, that's it. That's
Come,
it.
let's
You go.
go. Come. I give that to friend. Bye.
Tapos, bumili ako ng mushroom sauce kasi magma-mushroom ako tonight. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And then, bumili ako ng meat for school nila. Binabaon nila to siya sa, yun nga, yun na tinapay, or toast, nilalagay nila ito. And then, titikman ko to siya, guys. Ano to siya? Cherry cake nila dito. Look at that. Looks yummy. So, tatry ko siya kung masarap siya. Then, I have toyo nila dito. Soya sauce. And muffins. Bumili ako para sa kanila, sa kids. Then I have a salad para sa pambaon nila. And then, yun, yung talong dito. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ang laki ng talong dito. Ito yung talong dito. Ang laki nyo. Ano ko siya, bukas, ano yan? Tortang talong. Mag-tortang talong siguro ako bukas. Sa lunch namin. Then, sliced bread or toast. Okay, natin yung dyan. Tapos, bumili ako ng Sprite. May Sprite ako. Then, for garbage, plastic. And then, paprika powder. Anong paprika sa, gali? Yung red bell pepper powder. Nagamit ko kasi siya pang marinate. Then, a beef cube nila dito. Beef cube. And then, I have 2 carrots here para kung hindi ako magbihon siguro ako bukas or yung tortang talong. Let's see. And then, mushroom para ngayon. Ano ko siya sa meat na minarinate ko. Nag-marinate ako kanina kagabi ng pork. Ano ko siya. Tapos, cheese. Ibang cheese naman. Dami kasi lang kind of cheese dito. Tapos si Francine gusto niya yung cheese. Then ano nga ba to? Pudding. Bumili ako 2. And then tomato paste para sa spaghetti or mga sauce. And then beef minute steaks. minute steaks, yun ba yun? Ayun na, yung nabili ko, lahat. Pamili ko, isa sa uli ko yung clothes. Uy, yung pajama. Akala ko nakasave ako dun. Kasi ano na, kasi kailangan ni Fran, kasi pa spring na kami. So that's why mura-mura na yung mga pang winter. Pero si Fran din, I bought one kasi gamit na gamit ni mas gusto ko yung mga gano'n na pampatuloy yung Francine kasi hindi siya nagba-blanket guys. Ayaw niya na mag-blanket. So I paid in Aldi 40 €63. Magkano yan sa Philippines? Then ito yung lahat. And then sa ibang shops, I think 20 € something yung nagbayaran ko. So ayun na yung nabili natin. So wala akong i-return sa Aldi. So tatapon na natin to. Pero hahanapin ko pa yung sa Cody. No, sa Kick para to yung pajama. Sa Kick yun. So, that's all guys. Yung napili natin. Nakapag-hiking din ako. So, i-end ko na tong vlog guys. Kasi kailangan, put away ko pa to. At magluluto na ako ng dinner. So, that's all for today guys. Thank you all for watching. And I hope to see you again on the next video. Bye-bye. And have a good day everybody. And God bless you all.